This is the pinnacle of China's high-end energy storage inverters, Tanfon MPPT plus energy storage inverter. Specially designed for countries with unstable power grids. 110% overload capacity. Maintains stable output even under sustained overload. Handles extreme power demands with confidence. Milky Grade Intelligence optimizes solar system operation, slashing failure rates by 60% for truly word-free power. With the EMS management platform, it is an intelligent app. Install on your phone or computer. You could monitor the whole solar system of the panels to generate electricity, battery charge and discharge, inverter output power, and in China, our engineers also could help you monitor the whole solar system. 200A rapid charging fully recharges in just 2 hours from the grid solar diesel generator. Eliminate blackout anxiety. 100% phase imbalance tolerance. The ultimate power solution for hotels, malls, and factories with heavy inductive loads. Smart generator control. Auto start-stop for diesel gensets. Cut fuel costs by 15% plus and optimize operations. 5-year predictive maintenance. Remote monitoring plus proactive alerts. Reduce O&M costs by 40%. Real peace of mind.